Hello everyone, all of you are welcome uh, in our today's session, the living world part 3. Today we will discuss the MCQ number 26 to 40. Okay, first of all you should remember that all the MCQs are derived from the NCERT book. Yes, exactly, and our aim is same. Okay, let's go on the question number 26. The living organism are interactive system, that is the living organisms are interactive system, that is self-replicating, evolving, self-regulating, all of the above. Yes, first of all we should think about the correct option and then we will find the answer. Okay, so here the correct option is option D, matlab all the above: self replicating, evolving, self regulating, all of the above are interactive system. मतलब living organisms are interactive system, that is self-replicating, evolving, self-regulating. So our option D is correct and exactly from the NCERT book. Okay, next question. Question number 27, assertion and reason-based question. Assertion: no non-living object is capable of reproducing or replicating by itself. Yes, no non-living matlab it is the virus type, matlab non-living opposite to living. So it should not capable of it is not capable of reproducing or replicating by itself. Yes, obviously correct. Reason: all living organisms, present, past, future, and are linked. So this word will be united. Unfortunately it is spilled. So linked to one another by the sharing of the common genetic material, but not to varying, okay, material, but not to varying degree. So here it is the mute wrong, not to varying, not, it is wrong. It will be varying, obviously varying. So assertion is correct, but reason is false. Here option is yes. Answer is given. If the assertion is true but reason is false, explanation is given here, but to varying degree. So full sentence will be: reason: all living organisms, present, past, future, are linked to one another by the sharing of common genetic material, but to varying degree. It will be but to varying degree, not will be omitted. Okay, next. Topic on to 1.2, diversity in the living in the living world. The question number 28. The number of the species that are known and described range, or we can say thus: described biodiversity range. Option A 1.7 to 1.8 million, option B 17 to 18 million, option C 1.7 to 1.8 billion, option D 1.7 to 1.8 trillion. So our correct answer is option is 1. Yes, obviously 1, because 1.7 to 1.8 million will be the correct answer, and described biodiversity range 1.7 to 1.8 million. Okay, next question number 29. ICBN codes for ICBN. It means the full form of the ICBN. So first of all we remember international code for botanical nomenclature. Yes, option A international code of biological nomenclature. It is a mistake. Nomenclature, it is impossible, so nomenclature will be nomenclature. Option B international code for biological nomenclature. Yes, it is our correct answer, option B. Option C internal code, not, it is impossible. Internal code for binomial nomenclature. Option D internal code for botanical nomenclature. Internal code, no, it is impossible. So our correct answer is B international code for botanical nomenclature. Later we will see the ICZN. ICZN international code for code of zoological nomenclature. Next we will see. Okay, next question number 30. The science of giving name to living being called. The science of giving name matlab it is naming. Giving name matlab, so giving name matlab naming. So option A name nomenclature, option B classification, option C identification, option D characterization, or correct answer will be option A nomenclature. Giving name matlab nomenclature. Okay, next 31, question number 31. There is a need to standardize the naming of the living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same, yes, it is the mistake, same name all over the world. This process is called. Further repeat, there is a need to standardize the naming of living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. Yes, naming here, naming word is given, so it will be also a nomenclature. It is the same illustrate definition of nomenclature. Okay, remember it. Next question number 32. Question number 32. Nomenclature or naming is only possible when the organism is described correctly and we know to what organism the name is attached to. What organism the name is attached to. It is the quite difficult or complex question from NCERT. Further we repeat, nomenclature or naming is only possible when it will be possible, when naming will be possible. It will be possible when the organism is described correctly and we know to what organism the name is attached to. Yes, this is called the identification. Straightforward and definition wala question, so remember it. Identification. Option A nomenclature, option B classification, option C identification. Yes, it is our correct answer. Identification. C, option C is correct. And D characterization, no. So remember it. It's a very important question and silly होने का चांस बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Okay, next question number 33. ICZ then codes for yes. Finally it will be it on our screen. So ICZ codes for International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. So find it a international code for zoological naming and nomenclature तो लगभग same, but international code of is in this case is very correct, more correct. Internal code of zoological nomenclature, yes, option B is our correct, 100% correct. Inbreeding code of zoological nomenclature, no. Internal code for zygote number, no, sorry, B is our correct answer. 33 question, option B is our correct. Okay, international. हेलो बियर्स, एक चीज़ देखिए यहाँ पे ICZN क्या था, ICBN, यहाँ पे बिफोर बॉल सिंपली याद करना रखिए, बिफोर बॉल. सो इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर botanical nomenclature, yes. ICZN in this case not for, it will be of zoological, yes, of zoological. Okay, remember it. 34. In the binomial nomenclature, the first and second component represent first and second component represent, we know we have read the NCERT book. So first component represent the generic name or generic epithet, second is specific epithet. Okay, find out. Option A species, genus, option B genus and species, option C genus and class. Yes, option B is your correct, genus and species, option D or order and class. So our correct option is B. Genus and species. First genus, second species. Okay, next question number 35. The scientific name ensure that each organism has dash name. Each organism has obviously one name directly from the NCERT, and scientific name matlab international name, it will be only one name. Okay, option 1 is our correct answer. Okay, next question number 36. The biologist follow dash accepted principles to provide the scientific name to know organisms. Option N locally, option B urbanly, option C universally. Yes, it is our correct answer. Option D none of this. So universally is the correct answer. The biologists follow the universally accepted principle to provide the universal dash. So here option C is our correct answer. Next question number 37. The system of providing a scientific name with two component. It is the identifying term two component means is that generic name and a specific epithet is called the binomial nomenclature. We have read in the NCERT book. Option A pentamerous nomenclature, no. Option B binomial nomenclature, yes. Option B is our correct. Option C both no, wrong. D none of this. Okay, so here 37 option B binomial nomenclature is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 38. Binomial naming system is given by. Binomial naming system is given by. Very important question, and that is from exactly from the NCERT book. Option A R is Whittaker, option B Hugo the Viris, option C Ernst Mayr, option D Carolus Linnaeus. Yes, here the D is the correct answer, Carolus Linnaeus. Binomial naming system is given by Carolus Linnaeus. Remember it. Very important question. Why is very important? Because all these questions are extracted from the NCERT book. NCERT book means Bible book for NEET and G mains. Okay, guys. Question number 39. Mangifera indica. In this name, the Mangifera and indica represents respectively. Yes, we should underline these two terms separately because it is not written by italic letter. So, underline is very necessary. Mangifera indica. In this name, Mangifera and indica represent. Already we have discussed. The first component is generic and second component is specific epithet. Okay, so Mangifera will be generic. कहाँ पे option C is correct. Option D species, second indica. Option C is our correct option. Okay, next question number 40. Biological names are generally in dash and written in dash. Already we have discussed written in italic letter. So here last component will be italic. Latin, German, Greek, italic. Yes, option D is our correct. It is quite easy. Written in italic and binomial name are generally in Latin. Latin matlab language will be Latin, but letter will be italic. Okay, so option D is our correct answer. Latin and italic. Written in italic. Remember it. Written in italic and language will be Latin or biological name are generally in Latin. Okay, next we will see our answer sheet. Okay, amazing session we have discussed now. 26 to 40 question means 15 question exactly from the NCERT book, and later we will discuss more and more question, more number of question. So, and see here all the MCQs are derived from the NCERT book 100%. Yes, obviously correct, and our aim is this. So hello guys, stay connected and stay with your book. Stay with your book. It is the real friend. Okay, next See you again, no more today. Thank you.